I understand that it's complicated on your part kasi you're working with information you're only given by, for example, the LGUs. These are drivers who are listed by the LGUs, and I don't think you're listing them as DSWD. However, the fact is that these guys earn from day to day, and what they earn today is what they feed their family with. So even if we say na meron pa namang susunod na bigayan, that's already one day lost na livelihood eh. So I'm wondering how we can facilitate or how we can speed up and make it easier for people who are having a hard time as it is. I know it's not entirely your fault kasi nga you're working with information you're only given by the LGUs eh. Pero baka there's a way then to I don't know, not be
I
too...
hope the government can have a master list someday
Kawawa rin
of
kasi.
all these transport workers na talagang very solid na. It's kasi, tiresome din to keep hearing complaints na, wala po kami.
Tapos pipila sila po. Isang buong araw po yan na walang trabaho. Alam mo naman po yung mga...
That's correct. I totally agree with you. In fact, in one of our discussions this afternoon, after na umikot kami ni Secretary Rex Gatchalian, isa sa mga nakikita natin is, yung integrate natin yung database ng mga drivers, which actually we don't have yet, no? Kasi in the past, yung mga fuel subsidy that were provided by the government, mga operators lang yung nabibigyan. But this is the first time that we're providing or extending assistance to drivers. So ngayon, meron na tayong mga binubuo ng mga listahan or database ng mga drivers. Now, ang nakikita natin dito is maybe do a PhilSys integration with the CBMS. Kasi as it is, no, nakita natin na hindi naman po lahat ng mga tricycle drivers ay may national ID. So maybe we could work on the data integration and then also make sure na naka-reflect kung sino yung mga drivers doon sa CBMS natin. Maybe that would help no, in terms of policy and operational concerns. And then isa rin sa posible na pwede nating gawin, of course, ay yung aside from the data integration nga, we could also push for the creation of a database for our drivers.
Right. And just a clarification, kasi kagabi nandito po si Manibela President Marval Buena at sinabi sa amin na halos lahat ng miyembro ng Manibela ay hindi nakatanggap ng ayuda. Is it through DSWD ba o DOTR po yung kanila?
Actually, mga jeepney drivers po natin, the list came from the LTFRB. But we understand that the LTFRB got the list also from the JODA, kasi may mga iba pong organisasyon yan. Now, maybe Sir Val could help us doon sa pag-verify kung wala nga pong mga miyembro ng kanilang asosasyon o ng kanilang grupo ang nakatanggap pa ng cash relief assistance, because dito sa National Capital Region, we've already served more than 22,000 jeepney drivers. And if it's true na wala pa sa kanilang member ang nakakatanggap, then we'd gladly verify that information. And we can check naman din our database or the existing master list of jeepney drivers to ensure that they would also be served under this program.